Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are again with one more review of not exactly review, it is unboxing plus review of EcoDot.
Amazon Echo.
Yes,
So will tell you like
whether it's getting connected or not. So we have purchased this also in a Black Friday and we got it in.
very good deal. That too only $22.
Yes, so it was only 22. So yes, before opening the packet, I wanted to tell that it has these many features:
Alexa, Bluetooth,
Bluetooth,
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, audio line out, and apart from that, this is also has given all the instructions as mentioned, like what and all it will do. Apart from that, it is explore tens of thousands of skills, including this and that. You can see it. So let's start opening this box. EcoDot.
So what we see here,
It is
Alexa.
very tiny and very
The
cute
color is
actually.
also nice,
Yeah,
black
yeah.
color. On
It's
then
so cute. I like it.
these are the things like Amazon Music Play, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, Star, TuneIn,
Yes, a lot of
features here.
features are there, so you can do use it, and even they have given some guide. So it it has described like what is the function of each button. Apart from that, it is like where to plug in the wire and all. So it's very like it's not so tough. Download the Alexa app. You have to download the Alexa app, and this is optional. Connect to the speaker if you want. You can connect to the speaker for a good voice if you want. So yeah. So
So
what?
charger is there, adapter. So it needs a charging. So you have given so in this pack only you will get a charger. Charger is also looking good.
Yeah, wire is actually
That's all.
long.
So you will get one speaker, charger, how to use, what you can try, and there's a manual.
I'm going to switch it on. Let's see whether we have battery or not. No, we don't have battery, I believe. Charging is not there, so no, you have to charge, I believe. Don't open it now.
For charging, you
Okay. Don't open the wire, just plug it like this. Okay, otherwise how will? Yep. Now you can connect. Switch it on. This is mute.
what's the weather? Alexa,
No, it won't work like this. You have to download
download the
the
app.
app. That's what it mentioned here, no? First, just plug it, the power. It is given. Plug in your Echo Dot and wait for the
Sound is
Alexa
coming.
to say hello. Now just wait. Now you.
Hello,
Yeah.
your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now you go to Alexa app. Download the Alexa app. Yeah.
25 log in Amazon Alexa app with your username and password.
There will be one screen for login. So if you have Amazon account, you can log in with the same credentials. So we also have done the same thing. So you will get this screen. Terms of use. Welcome to Alexa. You have to do continue. So it is asking, do you want to set up a device? So yes, we want to. So we have EcoDot. So there are multiple actually. So we bought it Echo Dot. Yes. So ours is third
Third
generation.
generation, that without clock.
Is your Echo Dot plugged in and displaying in orange? Yes. So you have to give the access to the app so that the application and the Alexa can communicate to each other. So now we have the storage issue, right? Or no? So it will ask you to give the permission to your microphone. So you have to go to your app permission and then you have to give.
Permissions, then the location and microphone I have given.
So guys, now Alexa is connected. So what you have to do is you have to connect with your Wi-Fi. So in this app, you have to go to the settings, and then on the settings, what you have to do is select the Wi-Fi and connect this Echo Dot to your Wi-Fi. So now Alexa is ready. We will see a demo. So it is asking something. Say. So I'll just ask Alexa. Do you want to ask something?
If you look up hashtag Ask Alexa on Twitter, you can find out what people are asking me.
Alexa, how is the weather?
In Bengaluru, Karnataka, it's 18 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 26 degrees and a low of 16 degrees.
Alexa, what is the temperature in Atlanta?
I think why I need to press each time.
Alexa, what is the temperature in Atlanta?
Right now, in Atlanta, United States, it's 5 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of 2 degrees.
Play FM.
Theophany FM from TuneIn.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop the music. Alexa, play some nice songs.
I couldn't find any nice songs.
Alexa, play Bollywood song.
I couldn't find any Bollywood songs.
Alexa, play Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai.
You need to be an Amazon Prime member to be able to play Ye Arjiyarantu from Amazon Music. Would you like to learn more?
Wait.
Alexa,
Just ask Alexa
play.
if music does.
Senorita from Amazon Music.
Alexa, good night. Just stop and bye bye.
Prime Music is exclusively available for Prime members.
Alexa, good
To
night.
Good night.
Bye.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.